Hey, my name's Rob. GoPro has actually sent me the Hero 10 Creator Edition with their new Volta grip included. So I've only really had a day to play with this and get my first impressions. Luckily, I've used some of this stuff before, so most of my focus was on the Volta. The quick version is that the Volta is both a tripod, a battery, and a remote control for the Hero 10 Black. The Volta is also compatible with the Hero 9 Black. The Media Mod basically extends the functionality of the Hero 10 to allow you to actually plug in some cables to the back of it, a mic jack, a HDMI out, and a USB-C port. The Creator Edition basically means you can buy all of this stuff together. So today I had limited time. I wanted to just quickly check the audio quality, obviously with the Media Mod, it's got a built-in microphone. Now I'm talking and this audio will be from the Media Mod. Now I'm talking and this audio will be from the GoPro Hero 10 without the Media Mod. I wanted to do some outdoor tests. Just a bit of wind, having a chat. Bit of a surf report here. The surf report is anyone who goes out in that is like, they have my respect because there's no way, absolutely no way I'd go out. Looks miserable. Wind cover going on. And now it's going on. And I just noticed when I put it on that actually there is a microphone that faces at the back of the actual GoPro as well. So if I am doing a surf report this way, you should still be able to hear me because there's a microphone at the back. Now I'll take the windstop off again. And now this is actually what it sounds like with me talking pretty close to the GoPro from behind. And then I had my wireless microphone, and so I actually sort of set it up so that I actually could go further away, and I used the Volta grip to actually start and stop the recordings. So now, even though I'm very far away from the camera, I'm probably about like 10 meters or so, maybe a bit less, I can see on the actual Volta here that the GoPro is recording. And so you can see this is actually a pretty powerful setup for someone who wanted to be far away from their GoPro, stop and start recording, check that it actually is recording, but also have the audio quality into the video file, so you don't have to like mix it or sync it later on as well. Obviously, got the Hero 10, had to go for a fly. But then the rain came. So I took the Hero 10 Creator Kit for a little bit of an indoor spin. Wonder what the microphone's like. Can you actually hear me as I'm skating around, or is the wind too loud, or what's the story? This is what you do when it's raining outside. The actual grip itself is actually really good. Just using it today, taking photos, it was upside down with the button there, and not having to kind of hold the GoPro and press the button on the top all the time was actually really useful. For me personally, I wasn't gonna get the Media Mod for the Hero 10, but I was looking at the remote, and a remote with a tripod and a battery built in is pretty cool, especially considering that it can charge other things. And as I mentioned before, in FPV, knowing when the GoPro is on and recording on the actual drone itself is something that you kind of always are checking, triple checking, and having the sort of status light on a remote and the ability to stop start it. I would love to test, maybe in another video, the range of the Volta while the actual drone is flying. That'd be pretty cool. Not sure if it'll work or not, but it'd be cool to find out. All right, I know this is really quick. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this stuff, let me know. My only tip for you is really read the manual. And GoPro, thank you. This is really cool. If you hung around, a bit of a bonus tip. The LED light on top is actually removable. And so while having it in front of you might kind of instinctively be where you want to have it, you just can unclip it and put it somewhere like in the visor, off the side slightly while you're filming, just to kind of get that a little bit more dynamic, interesting light, rather than having it just blast you straight to the face. I hope you enjoyed the video.